la boucle dans la pince et serrez-la bien aux hanches. Lighting. If there is a need to evacuate, a floor lighting system will guide you to the nearest emergency.
Okay, so we just arrived at Newark Liberty Airport. We're just going to figure out how to take the bus and the train to get to Manhattan. So she just explained to me, I was getting some maps, and she explained to me where to get the bus. So I think she told me you go down these escalators and then we're going to go to the 3rd roadway. So we're going to go to the 3rd roadway and look for the New Jersey Transit bus number 62. So this is the 3rd roadway and we look for New Jersey Transit bus number 62. Okay, so you want direction downtown Newark and Newark Penn Station. You do not want to go to Elizabeth, so it's Newark Penn Station that you want. And it's here at stand number 8. So it's the 3rd roadway. 1, 2, 3. That is the Elizabeth bus, as it says. Do not get on the Elizabeth bus. We want New York Penn Station. Okay, this is Penn bus station under the train station. Now we have to go find... Okay, this is Penn Station, very Art Deco. Just have to find tickets. Sign there for tickets. Start. English. You just use the machines. You buy a single ride ticket for $2.75. Now I have to figure out which train to get on. So I asked those cleaners, they said I bought the wrong ticket for this line, but this one will get me on this one to World Trade Center, and that's where I change. So that's what I'm going to do.
World Trade Center. Make your stops at Harrison, Journal. This is the train to World Trade Center. The next stop is Rose. Stand clear of the elevator. Journal Square. The next stop is
33rd Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
So we just at 33rd Street, just making our way out now. So I hope you enjoyed that quick video of how to get from Newark Airport to Times Square on the path and the light rail. So we're just going to head out and end the video at Times Square. Okay, we're just at West 34th and 6th Avenue. There's Macy's and this is Broadway going this way, so we're just going to walk up Broadway.